Hey guys, Oscar here. So today I'm going to go ahead and try the Ruko remote ID that I bought. I own the Altel Evo 2 Pro version number 1. So I love this drone, but I need it to be remote ID compliant. So I have not flown this drone in 1 full year. Since September last year, I have not touched the drone, I have not flown the drone. So anyways, I was able to now find a remote ID module that was affordable. This video is not a sponsor whatsoever. It's not a sponsor. I bought this with my own money, and I'm going to try this module to see how it works. The setup is extremely easy to set it up. You have to download the app, go to the FAA website, go ahead and register the remote ID module, and it just works very easily. I found it very easily. Now I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to fly the drone, and the drone is gonna fly just fine. I just want to make sure that the remote ID gets the GPS and so on. So let me go ahead and turn the camera real quick. And this is how the module looks on my drone. So this is how the module looks on my drone. So this is my drone, the Altel Evo 2 Pro. And you guys can see the module. It looks very small. And here is the module. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So you have to press this for 3 seconds. Okay. It's going to start blinking, and once it gets the GPS, it's going to be the one in the middle is going to turn solid, and the one on the right side is going to be blinking still. It may take a little bit to do, so let's go ahead and see. That's it. It got it. I mean, less than 30 seconds. That's good. All right, so let me go ahead and open this drone and fly. Hey guys, so I ended up flying the drone for about an hour so far, and the remote ID module is still going strong. I believe it's good up to 4 hours with the battery that it includes. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. 4 hours. I mean, that's more than enough. I mean, I have 3 batteries, so the 3 batteries are not going to last me 4 hours. So it is, I think, to be remote ID compliant is completely worth it. Completely worth it. Only about $40 on Amazon. I'm going to put the link below so you guys can maybe use the link. I don't have an affiliate account yet. I need to start working on that. But hey, $40 to be remote ID is better than getting a fine for, I don't know, $100,000. So I think that's the best investment, to be honest with you. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn the camera real quick. Still going strong right here. And I've been flying for about an hour, so it's been working.